People have tried to make rain for decades, and that raises a bigger question. If water is becoming harder to predict, can humans actually push the sky to respond? The idea sounds like conspiracy bait. Planes flying into clouds, particles released into the air, weather projects backed by money, science, and sometimes governments. So what is real here? And what is fantasy? The answer is more interesting than either side admits. Humans cannot pull rain out of a clear blue sky. They cannot steer hurricanes across continents, and they cannot control the weather in the dramatic way the internet imagines. But under the right conditions, they can sometimes influence how much rain or snow a cloud produces. That is the basic idea behind cloud seeding. A plane, or sometimes a ground-based generator, releases tiny particles into a cloud. Usually, those particles are things like silver iodide or salt. Their job is simple: give water droplets something to gather around, or help supercooled water freeze into ice crystals. Those crystals can grow, become heavy enough, and fall as snow or rain. So this is not magic. It is not weather control in the movie sense. It is more like trying to push a process that is already close to happening. And that part matters, because if there is no suitable cloud, there is nothing to seed. No cloud, no extra rain, no perfect conditions, no miracle. That is why cloud seeding is usually discussed in a much narrower way. Not can we control the whole sky, but can we slightly increase precipitation from the right cloud at the right moment? And sometimes the answer appears to be yes. Some studies suggest the increase can be modest, not a transformation, not a guaranteed storm, just a limited boost. But for dry regions, reservoirs, mountain snowpack, or water systems under pressure, even a small boost can matter. And that is exactly why the idea keeps coming back. Supporters see it as practical, a tool, a way to squeeze a little more water from conditions that already exist. Critics see something else. They point out that results are hard to measure, the evidence is uneven, and the public often hears the word control when the science only supports something much smaller. So can people make rain? Sometimes. A little more of it, from the right cloud, under the right conditions. But they cannot command the weather, and maybe that is the most important part. Because once people learn they can nudge the sky even a little, the next question is inevitable. How far will they try to take it? Is cloud seeding just a useful water tool, or the beginning of a much bigger human ambition to interfere with nature? What do you think?